procurement, their job is to make sure they're getting a really good cost. And more importantly, though, they're getting things when they need them. Your vendors have to be reliable, consistent, and they have to have good communication. So those are the value points that I make with procurement. Is, as you know from our last conversation, a lot of that overarches to IT, but specifically with procurement is speed, communication, reliability, and more importantly than all of those is you're going to make sure they never have any unexpected surprises when it comes to lead times, ETAs, end of life, end of support, licensing support contracts, renewal support contracts. You're making their job easier for procurement because they are going to be handling a lot of different things, right? Depending on the size of the organization, they might be handling IT or they might be handling everything for the company, and they don't know this stuff. And another thing is your technical knowledge when you have it, because purchasing people don't have technical knowledge most of the time, right? So if they're given a server build, like, hey, buy this server, they don't really know anything about it from a technical angle. So it's nice for them to say, hey, I'll look it over, make sure there's no missing pieces, you're not missing a cable, it's configured properly. I'll point out anything that I would recommend adding on so you can check with your IT team. So communication, reliability, consistency, best cost up front are very important to procurement.